I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Yeah, man, when I was fighting getting up in and out, oh yeah, that was something that I really didn't want to do that. I was very unhappy the whole time getting in and out of that bucket. And I think to get in and out, you could probably come this way.
Yeah. And I don't need to have it as positioned to get in and out.
It's going to stop.
Yep.
That's it. I think you got to go the other way. I know it'll do a 360.
Ta-da!
Close enough for what we're doing.
Mm-hmm.
There's your gloves.
Thank you.
There's your hat.
Thank you.
I'm sure it'll go around. It ought to come around at least that far the other direction.
Yes.
Why did I think it wouldn't before? I don't know.
Because you're not thinking about what it does that much.
Yeah, it's probably true.
You're mostly thinking about how the barn goes, which is good.
Trying to be the supervisor, make sure we get everything going. Make sure I got all your stuff ready. Okay.
Well, you're doing a good job. I appreciate it. As always, you will notice every problem and will ignore every success because that's what you're focused on. But I'll tell you as a third party, it's going good. I shouldn't do this side yet with the adhesive.
Why is that?
Because I don't know that I'm going to meet up with that side exactly, and they have tongue and groove.
Oh, yes. You should just follow from the one end and go the other way.
Now I can keep marking these girts.
Yes. But you got to spin around anyway to get the middle, so whatever time you do it, it's fine.
Yep.
I really thought I could do this whole thing off scaffolding. Wish and hope. Okay, it's just fine.
Well, the funny thing is, now that you're up, as long as I look at you and you're fine, every thud is not a problem. So I'm now basically at a standstill until you put up some of these middle girts. I do have one thing I can do, which I'm about to.
They put a cup holder in that thing?
No. Wouldn't you expect that?
As much as that thing costs and no cup holders?
No cup holders that I can see.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Making Mom some coffee, son.
All right, cool.
If you wanted to get up and down, you could just go right out there and drop yourself.
Yep.
But I probably should move the workmate.
Oh, was it? And did I leave it right there? Yeah, I did, didn't I? That's all right.
Okay, you're not doing that right now anyway. I'll go finish taking care of Mom's coffee and I'll be right back. Yes, we had conversations about coffee and fizzy water.
Bucket trucks are so nice.
Yeah. It saves all that trying to stand on the rungs and holding on all the time.
Yeah. Well, I'm like, oh, I wish boy, it sure would be handy if I was down about 4 inches.
Yeah. Makes life a lot better. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and try and finish out this side of the house, or building, with dirt.
Real quick, can you help me make sure that I'm doing the side trim pieces correctly?
Yes.
that board. It's not the same angle.
Right. Stay back, please. Well, but like,
When it sits down and it clamps onto the thing, it's gonna roll. It's gonna come down a little bit.
yeah. But like, so in the corner, doing it here, right? Where my left hand is,
Yeah. Flush.
flush with the edge of the building.
Yep.
What covers it back here?
There's a piece of trim that goes along the side on both front and back.
Cool. So flush to the back.
Yep.
Cool. All right. Up to where it's touching that. All right. Cool. I'm set then.
Good. You have screws and everything?
Yes.
Okay. I think I'm gonna go get a drink.
Okay. Now the idea is to basically scooch this up, this in.
When you reach the stopping point, Brian, we'll come over and sit down and get a snack.
I'm gonna stop after I get this put in.
Okay. That'll work. Thanks for the tip, Liz. Okay.
about noon.
Okay, it's 11:30 now. I was thinking that we'd have pizza for lunch. If that's okay with you, I'm pretty sure it'd be okay with Oliver and Boy.
Yes.
Okay.
Should I screw down the end, or should I wait until another piece up? 2 more screws to put in.
Go ahead and put it in.
Well, I'm thinking that I should wait to do the overlap screw after I have the second one overlapped.
Yeah. I think that'd be a good idea. Why don't you come on down, we'll have a snack, and then,
Sure, let me do one more.
okay.
There's just one more
Yep.
that I want to do.
Something that would be insane but very fun,
Yeah.
while you're in the bucket, ride with the tractor. And cruise around the neighborhood, raising yourself and lowering yourself and looking over buildings and trying to outrun the police. Says don't do anything over 65, so we'd have to stay in the slow zone.
While Ryan was doing the miserable job of running 101 screws down the side of that trim piece and sticking up little things and trying to line stuff up, I was off putting girts up on the roof so that we could put the next step in place, which was laying the roof panels. So it was a lot of tedious work, and I really appreciate Ryan doing that. The bucket truck made it a lot easier, and having to stand on top of a ladder and run those screws is just miserable because you don't have any leverage. But we got it done, and I appreciate all his efforts going into the business of getting this taken care of. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.